In this video, we will see the catalog of design patterns from the famous book written by Ayam named as Element of Reusable Object-Oriented Software. So in the last video, we see the three categories of design patterns that are creational, structural, and behavior. So today we will have some look on the types of patterns that we have in those three categories. So in creational patterns, we have an abstract factory pattern, and we have a builder pattern, we have a factory method pattern, we have a prototype pattern, we have a singleton patterns, and we will see them practically and thoroughly later in this course. And in structural patterns, we have an adapter pattern, we have a bridge pattern, we have a composite pattern, we have a decorated pattern, we have a facade pattern, we have flyweight, we have a proxy. And in behavioral pattern, we have chain of responsibility, command, interpreter, iterator, mediator, memento, observer pattern, state pattern, strategy pattern, template method, and visitor. So these are the total 23 patterns that we will cover them in this course. So keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you.